Good morning, student. I am Srikant Sharma once again in front of you. Today's topic is climate. This is your fourth chapter because third chapter is eliminated for this year. Student, in previous video, I had given a homework. Some student who submitted homework before preparing this video, the name of students are Vikas Kumar, roll number 35, 9th A, Amit Kumar, roll number 43, section B, Hemendra, 37, roll number, section C, and many students of section E named Aditya Kumar, Avantika Singh, Geetanjali, Vishal, Ayush, Srishti, Sunny Kumar, शशि शेखर, अभिषेक कुमार, सद्दाम, अनुभव, हिमांशु, ऋतिक, चिन्मय, तन्मय, सोनाली, section F, Ritik also section F, Chinmay also section F, Raju Ranjan section F, and many other. But near about total submitted homework, number of students who submitted homework is only 45. This is not good. Come on. In next chapter, that is climate. Student, 3 words: climate, season, and weather. Generally used by public in same manner, but this is different. Student, first of all, definition of these three. First, climate. Climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area of a long period of time, more than 30 years. More than 30 years. Once again, climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area of a long period of time, more than 30 years. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Write here a question. Write the difference between weather and climate. Write the difference between weather and climate. Answer of this question: weather is a atmospheric condition of a certain time and certain or a small place, but climate is average weather condition of a large area. Second, weather is changeable morning to evening, day to day, time to time, but climate is generally permanently. If change, then very slow. Third, weather have not any type of effect on economic work, but climate have direct effect of economic work. A student, weather and climate. Third, season. A student, some week and some months of year have same weather condition. That period is known as season. Just like present time, June to October, rain again and again, rain again and again, rain. So this is called rainy season. November, December, January, half February, cold, more and more cold. So this is called winter season. And March, April, May, June, temperature increase day by day. That is called summer season. So some month or some week of a year have same weather condition. That is called season. But many person who use these three terms in same manner, what its reason? They are confused. But why? A student, weather and climate have same weather and climate have same determiner. This is also called element. Weather and climate have same element. You know name of these elements? You know what is this? What is this? Yes, thappa. So for remember the elements of weather and climate are thappa. THAPR. T for temperature in degrees Celsius. Yes. H for humidity in percentage. A for air direction and air speed, both. Air direction and air speed. P for pressure, air pressure. And R for rain. So these are 5 elements. These are both these are common elements of climate, weather and season. So many person confused. Student, you know your world is divided your world is divided in many climatic regions: equatorial climate, polar climate, west European climate, Siberia climate, Mediterranean Sea climate, monsoony climate, one of them. Student, the climate of India is described as a monsoon type. This type of climate generally found in South and Southeast Asia, means Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Myanmar, China, and Japan have monsoony climate. Student, monsoon word comes from Arabian word, that is Moshim. Moshim means seasonal reversal wind condition. सीजनल रिवर्सल विंड कंडीशन, सीजन के अनुसार हवाओं के दिशा बदलने को मौसम कहते हैं और इसी वर्ड से मानसून शब्द की उत्पत्ति हुई है. मीन्स दिस क्लाइमेट हैव नेचर सीजनल रिवर्सल विंड. इस क्लाइमेट का एक बड़ा नेचर है कि यह सीजन के अनुसार अपना विंड डायरेक्शन रिवर्स करता है, उल्टा करता है. जून टू नवंबर विंड ब्लो साउथ वेस्ट टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड नवंबर टू जून स्पेशली मई विंड ब्लो north east to southwest. So this is reversal wind direction area. So this area is called monsoony climate area. Student, in past long ago, where merchants अरेबियन मर्चेंट्स कम्स इन योर कंट्री, जब अरेबियन व्यापारी तुम्हारे देश आते थे तो वे इन हवाओं का लाभ लेते थे. सो द नेविगेटर एंड मर्चेंट्स गिव्स दिस नेम. स्टूडेंट, बट माय कंट्री इंडिया हैव मेनी टाइप ऑफ difference in climatic condition. Despite an overall unit in the general pattern, these are perceptible regional variation. Total Indian climate is called monsoony climate, but this climate have many type of variation. Come on and discuss about only two elements, that is temperature and rainfall. Temperature variation. In summer, Rajasthan, western Rajasthan, especially Jaisalmer, receives temperature more than 50 degree or near 50 degree. Occasionally, But that time Kanyakumari, Tiruvananthapuram receives temperature only near about 20 to 24 degree Celsius. In winter, Dras, Batalik of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, temperature decreased near -45 डिग्री. जाड़े के दिनों में द्रास में जम्मू कश्मीर का तापमान -45 तक चला जाता है. बट दैट टाइम टेम्परेचर ऑफ कन्याकुमारी, तिरुवनंतपुरम also maintain near about 20 degree. So this is temperatural variation. As well as rain variation is also common phenomenon of Indian climate. Just like northeastern state Meghalaya receives average rainfall more than 400 centimeter, and one place of Meghalaya, Moshinram, receives 1154 centimeter rainfall occasionally. यहाँ अब तक का रिकॉर्ड है 1154 सेंटीमीटर का. Moshinram, Jammu Kashmir, Moshinram, Meghalaya. But westernal margin of Arauli Hill, the westernal Rajasthan, that is called Thar Desert, receives less than 15 centimeter rainfall. On other hand, north part of India, Ladakh receives less than 15 centimeter rainfall. That is cold desert. But that time, Malabar coast of Kerala receives more than 400 centimeter rainfall. Not only variation in amount of rainfall, variation in form of precipitation is also available in your country. Variation in form of precipitation. Precipitation means version. Precipitation, form of precipitation in your country. As an example, Himalayan state, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Himachal receives rain in snow form. But most of country receives rain in waterfall. Precipitation in waterfall. Seasonal variation is also available. Most of country receives more rain in month of June to October, but coastal region of Tamil Nadu receives rain in November and December. So many type of variation available in your country. Student, come on. There are some question. There are some question. First of all, you listen this question. You listen this question. Come on. Open page number 27. Open page number 27. In first row, Why the house in Rajasthan have thick wall and flat roof? Second question, why is that the house in the Tarai region and in Goa and Meghalaya have sloping roof? And third question, why house in Assam built on stilts, खंभा लकड़ी का? And second row, there are also a question. Why most of the world's desert are located in the western margin of continents in the subtropics? Student, answer of these four questions. आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, चलो इन प्रश्नों का उत्तर मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप से भेज दूंगा, ठीक है? एंड टुडेज होमवर्क इज नॉट रिटन, टुडेज होमवर्क इज आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। आज जो अभी 4 क्वेश्चन पढ़ा है इसका आंसर मैं व्हाट्सएप से भेज रहा हूँ। आप इन चारों क्वेश्चन का आंसर याद करेंगे और मैं आज से 3 दिनों के अंदर कभी भी मात्र मेरे इस वीडियो के भेजने के 4 घंटे बाद से कभी भी कॉल करके डायरेक्ट वीडियो कॉल करके आपसे सुनूंगा। आप वीडियो ओपन करके मुझे सुनाओगे, लेकिन इसका जो आंसर सुना पाएंगे उनका मार्क्स भी जोड़ा जाएगा। आज जिन बच्चों का नाम बोला उनका नाम जोड़ा गया है। हाँ, कुछ बच्चों ने बाद में भेजा जबकि ये वीडियो प्रिपरेशन हो रहा था, उस समय उनका नाम नहीं चढ़ा है। अगली बार से आप होमवर्क टाइम से भेजा करें। थैंक यू।